Good morning, students. Thermodynamic part 3. In this one, I am going to explain thermodynamic equilibrium. Now, a system in which the microscopic properties do not undergo any change with the time, said to be a thermodynamic equilibrium. I repeat, a system in which the macroscopic properties do not undergo any change with the time is said to be a thermodynamic equilibrium. Now in this one, thermal equilibrium, that is one more that is thermal equilibrium. If there is no flow of heat from one portion to another portion of the system, they said to be thermal equilibrium. This is only for possible temperature remain constant. It is only possible if temperature remains constant throughout in all parts of the system is called also thermal equilibrium. Now one more, that is mechanical equilibrium. What is the mechanical equilibrium? If no mechanical work is done by one part of the system to another part of the system, one portion of the system to another portion of the system is said to be mechanical equilibrium. I repeat, if no mechanical work is done by the one portion of the system to another portion of the system said to be is called as mechanical equilibrium. Mechanical equilibrium, that is one more we know already, we have studied this one in the previous classes. The topic name is chemical equilibrium, that is chemical equilibrium. Chemical equilibrium. Now what does it mean by chemical equilibrium? If the composition of the various phases in a system remains the same throughout, then the system is said to be equilibrium. Generally in that we can write as rate of forward direction of the system is equal to rate of backward direction of the system is called also chemical equilibrium. Chemical equilibrium. This is the chemical equilibrium. Here rate of, also we can write, the way we can write, if composition of the various phases in the system remains the same throughout the system. Is said to be is a chemical equilibrium. Is said to be a chemical equilibrium. Next, types of process or process. Types of process or process. What does it mean by process? The operation by which a system change from one state to another state is called as process. Now in this process accompanied by change in energy, meaning meaning nothing but matter if also changes. Now isothermal process. If the process takes place, when temperature remains constant is said to be a isothermal process. Iso means same, therm means heat or temperature is called isothermal process. Next one, isobaric process. Isobaric process. Isobaric process. Isobaric process. If the process takes place when pressure is remain constant. Pressure is remains constant. Pressure is remains constant. Is said to be isobaric process. Said to be isobaric process. In this one, iso means same, baric means pressure. Iso means same, bar means pressure. Remains same pressure also. Same pressure, the process is takes place, that is called as isobaric process. Next one, isochoric. Isochoric process. Isochoric process, the process takes place when volume is remain constant. Volume remains constant. Volume is remain constant. As iso means same, chloric means volume. They are same volume. Is called as isochoric process. The process takes place. Next one is adiabatic process. Adiabatic process. In this process, heat remains constant. Heat remains constant. The process will be takes place. Is called as adiabatic process. The process heat is remain constant means no change it, same heat is called as the process takes place is called as adiabatic process.